Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to today's video. I hope you guys are excited as I am. We are stuffing sinking funds for the month of May. I do sinking funds once a month, so I'm really excited to jump into it. Before we get into it, I want to welcome you to subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave any comments or questions down below. Also, I will be linking everything that I use if I can find it down below as well, so if you have any questions, check the description box. All right, before we get into May sinking funds, I do want to take a look at April sinking funds. So we're just going to flip to that page here. So this is what we did for April sinking funds. I have a whole video on it. I will link it up in the cards here if you want to check that out, or if you've missed it, I have a whole playlist if you want to check it out. But we did some spending, so I wanted to go over the transaction log for April. So this is where I write anything that actually is pulled out of my sinking funds. So for April, we did actually have 3 transactions. We clearly had some things going on in April, so I just want to go over that. That's why the numbers are going to look a little skewed for May. But as you guys can see here, special occasions, on April 14th, I did purchase a baby gift for my cousin. She is pregnant with her first child, and she was not able to have like a baby shower and all of that, so I sent her a few gifts for her baby. And then at the end of April, as you guys can see, April 30th, I had to pull out of my car maintenance and my emergency fund because I had my car inspection and I had to get new brakes, new rotors, an oil change, something else, a tire. Like, it was just a whole bunch of things. So yeah, that is what happened in April, and now we are going to get started with May sinking funds. I'm super excited. I have it all set up here, transaction log, and then the actual sinking funds. So let's get our money and our envelopes, and I'll be right back. I have my money right here, and let's just organize it into our tray. So we are stuffing $600 today for our sinking funds, and again, I do this once a month. So let's just make sure all the bills are going in the right direction, because that is something that does peeve me personally. So yeah, see, I don't know, some tellers are very particular with like the direction, you know, the bills are going. Some tellers, like the one today, clearly they're all kind of like going in different directions. So we are just going to line everything up first. Okay, perfect. All right, cool. All right, let's just jump right in and get started. So I'm going to go into my first binder. This is the purple binder. This is the one I used in my new sinking fund setup video, and I ordered the green one after that video. Go check out the video if you don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so I have 2 binders, so we're just gonna jump right in. We're just gonna go from the top. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is my new setup here. The money over here is my unexpected income that I actually put aside and save for my savings challenges that I do every single month. So yeah, this money is just gonna stay right here on the side, and go check out my savings challenge videos if you wanna see what envelopes I pull. So yeah, go check out my savings challenge videos. I'm gonna be saving over $6,000 by the end of the year. So go check that out if you're interested. So for travel, we always do $100. Traveling is really important to me, and I'm really excited for everything to kind of slowly reopen up so we can get back to traveling. But I'm just going to pull a $100 bill, and that is going to go in here. So let's see how much we have. We should have $780, it says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. 750, 60, 70, 80, so we have 780. Also, if you hear any background noise, you guys, I live in the city. You can hear cars, you can hear birds. But yeah, you can hear the birds chirping really loud right now for some reason. But anyway, we're just gonna continue because we have to. So we have 780. Excuse my handwriting, I'm writing in a weird angle. All right, the next envelope we have is our emergency fund. So as you guys saw in the first clip, I did have to, you know, dig into the emergency fund for my car inspection. But we're going to add 75, so we have 50, 70, and 5. So we're gonna add that to emergency. All right. trying to build this back up. Every time I build it up to a decent amount, something happens. But you know, this is what it's made for, you guys. It's what sinking funds are for. At least you have some money set aside. All right, so we have 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270. All right, we'll just put that back in there. So we have $270 for emergency, which is pretty decent, I would say. So 270. Okay, next is our medical fund. So medical, we are just putting in $20. This has been filling up pretty nicely. And yeah, I am very grateful. I don't have to use this at all anytime soon from what I know of, but just in case it is here. So we'll add $20. So we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 440, 450, 460 in our medical fund. And yeah, all is good here medically, which is great. So again, 460, building up very nicely. Next, we have our car maintenance. You guys know I have a love-hate relationship with this car maintenance sinking fund. Obviously, I love it, but I've just had to dig into my car maintenance so many times. Sorry, you guys, my laptop, or is it my laptop? It's my iPad. Let me put my iPad on mute. Every time I fill this envelope up, it gets used right away. So in car maintenance, we have 0. We literally have nothing in here. And we are going to be adding $155 because, again, I'm trying to build it back up. And hopefully I don't exhaust it. 155. My car, I got new brakes, new rotors, you know, I got tire, oil change. We're pretty much set, I think, for a while, so hopefully we can have some time to build that back up. Okay, the next one is special occasions. This is, oh, I'm only putting $10 on it? Okay. I have Mother's Day coming. I have my friend's birthday coming. So I might be tapping into this. So we're pulling just $10. Oh, so we only have 100, 110, 20, 130. That's probably going to be depleted this month as well. I foresee it, you guys. This is probably going to have 0 by the end of May. But again, that's what it's here for, right? Okay, the last envelope in my purple sinking funds binder is Christmas. Christmas is getting a whopping $20. I have not been in the mood to stuff this as much lately, or yet, I should say. I probably will in a few months. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100 for Christmas. But yeah, this is something where I'm not too worried about. I'll probably up this amount in a few months. But we do have 100, which is nice. Okay, so those are my sinking funds in my purple binder. I have 6 in this binder, and then 6 in this one right here. I'm actually going to put this underneath because I think it's nice to have it just elevated. It's easier for me to write when it's elevated. So, yeah. All right, should we move this? Yeah, let's move some of the money up as well. It's a little more aesthetically pleasing. Next, we have our beautiful minty green binder, and this has the rest of our sinking funds in here. All right, the next one is family, and family is getting, oh, just $10. Okay. I honestly, I remember now. I wanted to allocate a lot more money to my car maintenance, so I was pulling from, you know, other envelopes, clearly. Family is getting $10. So that's the last 10 there. Okay, so let's see. We have 100, 120, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210. All right, so 210 in family. That's actually building up pretty nice. Okay, the next one we have here is my home envelope. I'm actually really excited about this because we're adding $45, 20, 40, 5, and I hit my goal. My goal for home was $500 because I want to get all new bedding and you know, comforter and all of it, sheets, all of it. So everything that I want, the full set, is around $500. So we should have 500 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 420, 40, 60. Let me start over because I threw myself off. 100, 2, 3, 350, 400, 420, 40, 60, 80, 490, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500. So we reached our goal, and I don't know if I'm going to be I'm probably gonna buy it this month. All right, so for home, we have $500. Again, I'm super excited about that because I hit my goal. Super awesome. Okay, next we have birthday. Birthday, we are adding $20. And again, this is another sinking fund that I'm not like, I don't feel anxious to like build this up for any reason anytime soon. So again, we have some time for my birthday. It just passed. 20, 40, we only have $60 in my birthday fund for next year. Okay, so that's 60. Should I do this way? Maybe I'll do it this way. It might be a little easier for me. All right, the next fund we have is Greece. Greece always gets $100 as well. So we have a lot of money in here. This is probably my biggest sinking fund. Yeah. Yeah, this and travel. So Greece has 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. Let's put that down. 500, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 5, 96, 97, 98, 99, $750. So we have $750 in Greece, which is awesome. And I'm really excited for Greece, but since it was pushed another year because of COVID, I have a lot more time to save up, which actually it makes me feel a little bit better because I was scared I wasn't gonna have enough time to save up, and all is good because we have so much more time now. The next envelope we have is equipment. Equipment is getting nothing this round. And then, oh, we have giving is $5, which should be all the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes straight into my actual wallet there, so I'll put that to the side. And then beauty is getting $40, which is the last two 20s here. And now let's see how much we have. Okay, so for beauty, we have 50, 70, 90. 100, 120. So, ooh, the lighting changed. Sorry, you guys. Let me adjust that a little bit. Oh my goodness, it got so dark. Okay, so we have 120 in beauty, which my haircut typically is $120. I'm gonna still stuff this. Technically, I hit my goal already, but we're gonna still stuff it just for the heck of it. So, okay, so sorry, I wasn't filling this out. 480 still in equipment. And giving, we have 5. Beauty, we had 120. And yeah, let me just add everything up and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I added everything up and we have $4,020 in our sinking funds. I am super excited about that number. I think this is the first time I've cracked $4,000 for my total sinking funds, which is super exciting. And yeah, if you guys have not seen my new sinking funds setup video, definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below. I hope you guys will subscribe, stick around, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!